Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm currently blonde and having fun or whatever, but as you know, the only person I go to when it comes to wig stores is my sister, slayed by JT. She's done it again. She has me looking. Now I have some goodies I want to be sharing with you. These are so good. Like these products are products you can use to take care of your children's hair, boys and girls. So I hope everybody's doing well. How are you doing? Write in the comment section. Let me know what you've been up to and let's get into this video. I'm not showing any of the products in any particular order. The first product I have is Amla Hair Oil, and you use this before shampooing your child's natural hair. Amla contains olive oil, which is known for making the hair follicles stronger. It also has almond oil in it, which is known for making the hair very soft. So number one, as usual, I will be putting all the full descriptions and the details of the products in the description box for you, and all the links of where you can purchase the product and the price of the product as well. The next item I have is this Brazilian hair oil treatment spray. I use this regularly. It moisturizes, strengthens, and gives the hair a nice shine. It's really good for stopping breakage. There's keratin inside, which is known for treating damaged hair and frizzy hair, so you can purchase this as well. This isn't specifically made for children, but because it doesn't have any dangerous like sulfate or alcohol or anything inside, I use this for my children's hair. And it strengthens the bonds, it strengthens the hair follicles, it gives the hair a nice shine. You can use it as well as hair heat protection. You can use it if you straighten your hair, you can use this. And when you're styling your hair, it has 24-hour like resistance against humidity. So what you do is you spray this on damp hair, and then you style it however you want. If you have cornrows, braids, or locks and twists, use this oil, or your child. You can use it yourself or you can use it on your child. So this oil is really lightweight and non-greasy, so you won't have to, you won't have a lot of grease in your hair, which is what we love. We love a lightweight product. So before jumping in and looking for products that can make your hair long and thick, start by cleaning your scalp and making sure that you're looking after your scalp. To clear your scalp, I'd recommend this Hawaiian ginger treatment spray. Now I've been using a lot of scalp treatment sprays recently. I feel like it's more time efficient. So it's by the brand Miel. So if you or your child suffer from dry, itchy scalp, I'd recommend this. So all you need to do is part and section your hair, then spray this on the affected areas. And always remember, let hair grow at its God-given pace. Don't be worrying too much about breakage and worrying too much and comparing yourself, your hair growth with other people's. You have your own pace. Your hair grows at its own pace, and you just have to keep hoping, keep believing, and you'll be fine. So I've gained some new subscribers over the week. Yay! If you're a new subscriber, shout out to you. Thank you for your support so far. Welcome to the family. So this is currently my protective styling to avoid a lot of manipulation. I'm gonna have this in for a while. And always remember, after applying the oils and after styling your child's hair, low manipulation is best. So try to avoid continuously changing hairstyles and tugging at the hair. Now, I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for the support so far. We're on the road to 200, so help me share, like, comment, engage, and subscribe. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're aware when I do the next post, which is really soon. A video is coming up really soon, so turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe as usual. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.